Welcome back to the next session of regression analysis. We are in the process of doing the numerical problems on regression analysis. Look at the next question, sir. If 4y minus 5x is equal to 15, is the regression line of y on x is the regression line of y on x and coefficient of correlation between x and y is 0.75. What is the value of regression coefficient of x on y? See the solution given. Regression line of x on y is 4y minus 5x is equal to 15. 4y minus 5x is 15. Put it in standard form. 4y is equal to 5x plus 15. Y is equal to 5 by 4 into x plus 15 by 4. Byx is equal to regression coefficient of y on x. This is 5 by 4. Regression coefficient of y on x 5 by 4. It is a positive value. So Bxy also positive, R is positive. R value is already given as positive 0.75. We know R is equal to Byx into Bxy under root. Squaring on both the sides, R square is Byx into Bxy. Byx into Bxy. So Bxy is equal to R square divided by Byx. 0.75 into 0.75 divided by 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25. Press M plus button, M plus. 5 by 4 is simplified and stored in the memory. Numerator 0.75 into is equal to 0.5625 divided by MRC is equal to 0.45. 0.45. Next, question number 2. If the regression line of y on x if the regression line of y on x and x and y are given by y is equal to minus 2x plus 3 and 8x is equal to minus y plus 3. What is the coefficient of correlation? What is the coefficient of correlation? Now regression line of y on x. Y on x is y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. So regression coefficient of y on x is equal to x coefficient. This is minus 2. Next, regression line of x on y is 8x is equal to minus y plus 3. X is equal to minus 1 by 8 into y plus 3 by 8. So regression coefficient of x on y is equal to bxy minus 1 by 8. Both the regression coefficients are having same sign and both are negative. It means r is also negative. R is equal to minus byx into bxy. This is minus 2 into minus 1 by 8, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 0.5, minus 0.5. This is the answer to the given question. Let us see the next question. Is the regression coefficient of y on x comma between x and y and the variance of y are minus 3 by 4 comma root 3 by 2 and 4 respectively. What is the variance of x? See the solution. Regression coefficient of y on x. B by x is minus 3 by 4. R is equal to root 3 by 2. Variance of y is equal to 4. These are given. What is required? Variance of x is question mark. B by x is equal to R into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. Squaring on both the sides. B by x whole square is R square into variance of y by variance of x. Variance of y divided by variance of x. So minus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square into variance of x. Y is 4 by variance of x. 9 by 16 is equal to 3 by 4 into 4 by variance of x. 3 by 16 is equal to 1 by variance of x. Therefore, variance of x is equal to 16 by 3. Variance of x is 16 by 3. Okay, see the next question. If the two regression lines if there are two regression lines corresponding to two variables x and y, meet at 2, 3. Variance of x is equal to 4. Variance of x is equal to 4. Variance of y is equal to 1. And R of x comma y is equal to 1 by 2. Estimate the value of y for x is equal to 6. For x is equal to 6. Look at the last one, sir. X value is given and you have to estimate the value of y. First of all, identify or think this way. Which line should I use whenever a situation of this type is given? Which line should I use? It means you have to use a regression line of y on x. You have to use regression line of y on x because x value is given and y value you have to predict. Y value you have to predict. So, step number 1, calculate regression line of y on x. Calculate regression line of y on x. What is your regression line of y on x? Y is equal to a plus bx. Regression line of y on x is y is equal to a plus bx. B value is required. So regression coefficient is equal to b. This is r into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. This is r into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. R is equal to 1 by 2. Variance of y is given 1. Take square root for this. You will get standard deviation. Again I am repeating this point. Variance of y is given. If I take square root for this, I will get standard deviation. So standard deviation of y is 1. Again standard deviation of x is required. Variance of x is given as 4. So when I take square root for this, I will get standard deviation for x. So this is 2. 1 by 4 is the value of b. Now, regression line is, as per the data, I have to change the formula. Y minus y bar is b by x into x minus x bar. Even though this is the standard format, finally I will put my regression line in the standard format only, whatever may be the method I am using. But as per the given information, I have to use this line. What is given in the question, sir? The two regression lines are meeting at the point 2, 3. Meeting means it is their point of intersection. Two regression lines are intersecting at the point x bar, y bar. So given x bar, y bar is equal to 2, 3. B value already we calculated 1 by 4. Substituting here, y minus 3 is 1 by 4 into x minus x bar is 3. Now look at this. X value is given as 6. 1 by 4 into 6 minus 3. So this is 3 by 4. Y minus 3. Y is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3. This is x minus 2, x value 2. 4 by 4. This is 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. Y value is equal to 4. Corresponding to the value of x is equal to 6. What is the value of y? It is 4. Okay. See the next question. Question number 5. The two variables x and y, the two variables x and y have the covariance and correlation coefficient between them as 2 and 0.5 respectively. Variance of x is equal to variance of y 2 times. Variance of x is equal to 2 times variance of y. Then regression coefficient of x on y. Is regression coefficient of x on y is. This is my question. See the solution. Covariance of x comma y is given as 2. R of x comma y is given as 1 by 2. Variance of x is equal to 2 times variance of y. So variance of x divided by variance of y is equal to 2. Taking square root on both the sides. Taking square root on both the sides. Variance is given. When you take square root, you will get standard deviation. Now, regression coefficient of x on y is bxy. This is r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. Bxy is equal to r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. R is equal to 1 by 2 given. This ratio standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y root. This is root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. 1 by root. Bxy is equal to 1 by root. Next question. If the two regression coefficients are if the two regression coefficients are 0.8 and 1.2, what would be the value of coefficient of correlation? Now here both the regression coefficients are having same sign. So R is equal to Byx into Bxy under root. 0.8 into 1.2 under root. This is 0.8 into 1.2 is equal to under root 0.9797. 0.9797 approximated to 0.98. Next, question number 7. Given x is equal to 4y plus 5, y is equal to kx plus 4, are the regression lines of x on y and y on x respectively. Find the interval in which the value of k lies. Find the interval in which the value of k lies. Now sir, bxy is equal to 4, byx is equal to k. These two are given. Now we know r is equal to byx into bxy under root. One value is positive means definitely the other value is positive. Therefore r value also positive. Look at this sir. Minus 1, r is equal to plus 1. We know the value of r lies from minus 1 to plus 1. So r square is equal to byx into bxy. R square is equal to byx into bxy. When you are squaring means negative values are eliminated from the picture. When you are squaring means negative values are eliminated from the picture. Now the question is, should I take the value of 0 for r? Should I take the value of r is equal to 0? If I take r is equal to 0, then r square also 0. This is 0 means either byx 0 or bxy 0. Bxy is already given 4. So byx 0. But here you have to find out the interval in which the value of k lies. Here you have to find the interval in which the value of k lies. Therefore 0 also not allowed. So I am taking excluding 0. So these limits I am writing this way: 0 less than r square. R square is less than or equal to 1. 0 less than r square value less than or equal to 1. Because values are squared, negative values are eliminated. 0 less than byx. So 0 less than k less than or equal to 1 by 4. Therefore k belongs to the interval 0 to 1 by 4. Either you can leave the answer this way or you can write in this manner. K belongs to 0 is excluded, so open interval. 1 by 4 is included. This is 1 by 4. Look at the next question. The two regression lines are y is equal to x plus 5 and 16x is equal to 9y plus 64. First question. Variance of x is equal to question mark when variance of y is equal to 16. Second question, r of x comma y is question mark. Now sir, two regression lines are given. See the solution. Regression line of x on y on x is y is equal to x plus 5, byx is equal to coefficient of x, this is 1. Now, regression line of x on y, regression line of x on y is given as 16x is equal to 9y plus 64. X is equal to 9 by 16 into y plus 64 by 16. Now bxy is equal to coefficient of y 9 by 16. R is equal to byx into bxy under this is 1 into 9 by 16. This is 3 by 4, 0.75. For one question, answer is obtained. For one question, answer is obtained. Let us see the first part. bxy is equal to r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. bxy is equal to r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. bxy is 9 by 16, r is 1, standard deviation of x as it is, standard deviation of y. Take square root for this, it is 4. Standard deviation of x is equal to 9 by 4, squaring on both the sides, 81 by 16. Variance of x is 81 by 16. Oh, sorry sir. bxy 9 by 16, r is 3 by 4, standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y, this is 4. Cancel, it will go 3 times. Standard deviation of x is 3, variance of x is 9. Variance of x is 9. That is the answer. Okay, look at the next question. The two regression lines are 3x plus 2y is equal to 26 and 6x plus y is equal to 31. Find first question. The two regression coefficients second question. R of x comma y. Third question. Y is equal to question mark when x is equal to 5. Y is equal to question mark when x is equal to 5. These are the three parts it is having. Okay. Now 3x plus 2y is equal to 26, 6x plus y is equal to 31. Two line equations are given. But it is not specified which one will represent x on y and which one will represent y on x. So you have to identify first, because here I need estimation. Y is equal to question mark when x is equal to 3. Y value we have to predict. For that I need regression line of y on x. So let's move on a trial and error method. Let 3x plus 2y is equal to 26 is regression line of y on x. So 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 26. So byx is equal to x coefficient. This is minus 3 by 2. Let 2 is regression line of x on y. So 6x is equal to minus y plus 31. So bxy is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now r is equal to byx is negative, bxy also negative, both are negative. It means r value negative. Minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 6. It will go 2 times. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 0.5. It lies within the limits of r. So my assumption is correct. First part is already over, sir. Byx is equal to minus 3 by 2. Bxy is equal to minus 1 by 6. Second part is also over, r value calculated. Means the data is consistent. Let's go for this. Y value you have to predict. For a given value of x. So y is equal to minus 6x plus 31. Sorry, I have to consider y on x. Y on x is first line. y is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x plus 13. 26 by 2 means 13. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 5 plus 13. This is 11 divided by 2, 5.5. This is y value 5.5. Look at the next question. For two variables x and y, for two variables x and y with the same mean, the regression equations are y is equal to 2x plus b, x is equal to 3y plus beta. Then b by beta is equal to question mark. Then b by beta is equal to question mark. This is my question. What is given in the question? The two regression lines are given and they have same mean value. Solution. We know one point. What is that? The two regression lines are intersecting at the point x bar comma y bar. The two regression lines are intersecting at the point x bar comma y bar. It means x bar comma y bar lies on both the lines. Therefore, the given two lines can be written as y bar is equal to 2 into x bar plus b, x bar is equal to 3 into y bar plus beta. Also given x bar is equal to y bar. Also given x bar is equal to y bar. So this is x bar is equal to 2 into x bar plus b. B is equal to minus x bar. X bar is equal to 3 into x bar plus beta. Beta is equal to x bar minus 3 into x bar. This is minus 2 into x bar. Now, b by beta is equal to minus x bar by minus 2 into x bar. 1 by. Or you can write b is to beta is equal to 1 is to 2. B is to beta is equal to 1 is to 2. Okay, so that's all in this video. Remaining in the next session. Thank you.